Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang fuel gauge malfunction issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A fuel gauge malfunction in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as the gauge reading empty or full incorrectly, fluctuating while driving, getting stuck at one level, or not responding after refueling. Verified owner reports and service information show that fuel gauge concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on fuel system design, sensor components, and electrical communication. One verified and frequently reported cause involves the fuel level sending unit. The sending unit uses a float and sensor to measure fuel level inside the tank. Wear, contamination, or internal failure can cause inaccurate readings or erratic gauge behavior. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring or connector issues. Damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or loose electrical connections between the fuel tank and the instrument cluster can interrupt signal transmission and lead to incorrect gauge readings. Instrument cluster behavior is also a documented factor. Faults within the cluster, including gauge motor issues or internal circuitry problems, can prevent accurate fuel level display even when the sending unit is functioning properly. Fuel pump module-related issues have also been reported. In many Ford Mustang models, the fuel level sensor is integrated into the fuel pump assembly, and failure of this module can affect fuel gauge accuracy. Software or system calibration behavior is another verified consideration. In some cases, control module communication or calibration issues can cause the fuel gauge to display incorrect information until reset or recalibrated. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection, low system voltage, or fuel contamination. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for diagnostic fault codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, testing the fuel level sending unit, verifying instrument cluster operation, and recalibrating or replacing affected components as needed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang fuel gauge malfunctions are resolved through sending unit or wiring repairs rather than full instrument cluster replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, fuel system design, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang fuel gauge malfunction issues are typically linked to fuel level sending unit wear, wiring or connector faults, instrument cluster behavior, fuel pump module issues, or system calibration irregularities. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.